In today's episode of our Vietnam trip, we are going to visit some famous landmarks of Ho Chi Minh, including renowned shopping places, and also show you nightlife of this bustling city. After spending 4 nights at Da Nang, we took our flight to our last destination of our Vietnam trip, that is Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh, formerly known as Saigon, is the economic heart and the largest city of Vietnam. There is a lot more to explore in this city. Our accommodation was located at the center of Ho Chi Minh City, from where many famous places are easily accessible by walk. Let's first visit this famous shopping mall, Saigon Centre. If you are looking for international brands, then you must visit this mall for shopping. Now we are going to one of the major central landmarks of the city, Thanh Market. It is one of the famous local markets in Ho Chi Minh that you should visit if you want to buy items having relatively cheaper rates. You will see plenty of colorful kiosks where they sell gifts, clothes, and thousands of other items. You need to bargain with these local vendors, as most of the times they will quote you double the prices. Another historical landmark to see here is Saigon Central Post Office, which lies in the heart of Ho Chi Minh City. It is a must-visit destination for any traveler on their first trip to this city. This post office is an attraction mainly for its design and architecture, as it was designed by Gustave Eiffel, the same architect who designed the famous Eiffel Tower. Chi Minh is truly a must-visit city in Vietnam when it comes to exploring its nightlife. When you come to Ho Chi Minh, the Nguyen Hue walking street is the best choice for you to visit. You will see here a series of bustling stores and restaurants on both sides. This street has one of the most beautiful and modern squares in Vietnam. Right in front, you can see Ho Chi Minh Squares, which offers a lovely night view. Many tourists come here for sightseeing, taking photos, or just enjoying the fresh air. You will also see here many exciting entertainment activities. After walking through this street, we reached at the end where you can see night view of Saigon River and its surroundings. Now we are at Vien walking street. This street is a go-to destination when the night falls. There are bars, restaurants and music all around this street, so you're going to enjoy your time once you visit here. this video. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon to watch upcoming videos with new destinations.